Hello, Rutgers students. Welcome back to the fall semester. And for those of you who are coming here for the first time, welcome to Rutgers University, and we hope you have a great college experience. I'm Tina Martins Cruz. I'm the Director of the Office of Student Legal Services here at Rutgers. And today I'm going to offer you some pointers and tips about college football and alcohol. We know that's not a smart mix. If you get caught drinking under the legal age, it can result in criminal charges, local ordinance violations, and university student conduct violations. New Jersey has a criminal statute which makes it illegal for a person under the age of 21 to purchase, drink, or possess an alcoholic beverage in a public place, motor vehicle, or on school grounds. A conviction under this statute will result in a criminal record, fines of up to $1,000, jail time of up to 6 months, and if the violation occurs in a vehicle, it can result in license suspension of 6 months. If you're under 21 and don't have a license yet, suspension would begin once the license is obtained and can range from 30 to 90 days. If you're under 21, alcoholic beverages are prohibited in one's car under any circumstances, even if the container is unopened and factory sealed. It is also a violation whether the vehicle is running at the time or not. If an alcoholic container is open, the driver can also be charged with violating the open container law, which will also carry fines and possible community service for subsequent offenses. Drinking in one's vehicle with the engine on, even if it is parked, is also grounds for a DUI conviction. A driver who is under 21 with a blood alcohol content of 0.01 and above will be charged with a DWI. The higher the blood alcohol content, the more severe the penalties. For the minimum blood alcohol content of 0.01, a minor will suffer a loss or postponement of driving privileges from 30 to 90 days, community service for 15 to 30 days, participation in an alcohol and highway safety program, and other fines and state assessments. If the BAC is 0.08 or higher, the minor will be sentenced under the adult penalties. A conviction for underage drinking will result in a permanent criminal record, which can have far-reaching consequences beyond the fines or jail term. It can show up in background checks when applying for jobs. It can show up when applying for an apartment lease or mortgage. And in certain cases, students can lose their scholarships and federal aid, get denied admission to a college of their choice, or get suspended or expelled from the university. If you're using a fake ID to purchase alcohol, a minor can be charged with another criminal offense under the New Jersey statutes and face fines and loss of driving privileges from 6 months to 2 years. Townships also have their own local ordinances that prohibit underage drinking and using fake IDs, which, if convicted, can also result in significant fines. Now, the same statute that makes it criminal for an underage person to possess or drink alcohol also provides immunity from prosecution for anyone who calls 911 to get medical help for another person related to the alcohol consumption. That person has to be the first to contact emergency services, has to provide a name or identity to the 911 operator, has to remain on the scene with the person in need of medical assistance, and is cooperative with police and other emergency personnel. This same provision will be applied to the underage person who received the medical attention and can be extended up to 2 other underage drinkers, provided their names are given to the 911 operator and they too remain on the scene and cooperate. This is also true in the Rutgers University Code of Conduct. The university conduct policy also restricts the use or possession of alcohol, narcotics, and other drugs. If you possess or consume alcohol under the legal drinking age in New Jersey, in areas on campus where alcohol is not permitted, if you unlawfully possess or use drugs, narcotics, or controlled substances, misuse or misappropriate any prescription, over-the-counter medication, or legal substance, possess or use recreational marijuana or medical marijuana on any Rutgers University property, even though it is legal for those 21 and over in the state of New Jersey, and drive under the influence of alcohol and or other drugs, you are in violation of the university conduct policy. Violation can result in sanctions, interim or disciplinary suspensions, loss of university housing, fines, restitution, mandatory educational programs, restorative programs, expulsion, and other sanctions the code officer may rule appropriate. So be smart and make the right choices. Enjoy the football season and rooting for your Scarlet Knights, but don't possess, consume, or purchase alcohol while underage And most importantly, don't drink and drive. Go, are you?